Hi, this is Rosemary Heron, and she's going to talk about her experience here at Ricky Knowles Hair and Wellness.
I am a 12-year breast cancer survivor. Being diagnosed with cancer is traumatic, but losing your hair to chemotherapy is like adding insult to injury. When I was diagnosed the first time in 2001, I did not have a clue about how to go about looking for a wig, and a friend took me to a salon that sold wigs on the side, and I was concerned about looking like myself, so I looked for something that had my color, my style, very similar, but I hated it. It didn't fit properly, it rubbed on my ears, and it was really way too much hair for me. So when I was diagnosed the second time in November 2012, I knew right where to go. I had met Kristen and she told me about Ricky, and I told him I really wanted to look like myself, and I had some gray hair, and everything that we looked at had all gray, and I said, that's not me, I want to look like myself. So Ricky literally searched the world over to find the perfect hair for me, and it had to be human hair to color, and when it came in, he styled it and then matched it to my hair. He took samples from all over my head, on top, back, underneath, and then buzzed me because I didn't want to watch losing my hair. So when he colored the wig, he kept the parts that he had saved from my own hair to show me how perfect it was, and it was absolutely perfect. He custom fit the cap for me. It doesn't even feel like I have a wig on. It feels like my natural hair. So my own family could not tell that I had a wig on. They literally thought it was my hair. They were just so surprised. And I am thoroughly, thoroughly pleased with it. I'm ecstatic because everyone who sees me, and I tell them I'm in chemotherapy, they say, no, you're not. That you still have your hair. And I said, no, this is not my hair. So I just can't recommend Ricky enough. He's just wonderful. He's a perfectionist, and he wants you to be happy. He wants you to look like you want to look. And I have a habit of naming my wigs, and so I named my wig Confidence because she gave me the confidence before I was diagnosed, and this is Confidence.